And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Good to see you again, bro.
Good to see you, sir.
Let me know what you're running in here.
I got the Audio Ace V3 Joker 15s on 3 DDM 4000s. From my mids and highs, I'm running all of the Audio Ace Diamonds. So Diamond 8s in the center console and the doors, and the Diamond 1.3 tweeters in the 8 pillars.
Okay, yes, sir. 12 of them back there.
Yes, sir.
Not on. Yeah, man, we'll do it on the next one.
Do what?
Well, I said we'll see if you can do it again on the next one, man.
Oh yeah, definitely.
What next show y'all going to?
Let me look. I got them all written down because I wouldn't remember.
I know y'all hit the highway.
Oh yeah, let's see. I think our next show is Midwest Madness in St. Louis, the Audio Ace show, but there might be one before. I'm not 100% sure where we're going.
Midwest Madness is in August, right? Is it August?
Yeah.
Okay, I think a guy was telling me about that. I'm not for sure if that was it. I'm gonna try to see if I can make it up there to see y'all, man.
That'd be dope. It's a great show.
Man, I've been seeing a lot about it online, so hopefully I can get up that way.
That'd be awesome.
I'll see you next time, bro.
Dude, appreciate it.
Appreciate y'all.
Still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.